Welcome, REALME is the REALME 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on the device. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and you will find a toggle somewhere in here. So for me it's located right here. And before you actually tap on it to start recording, you want to hold it, and this will take you to settings where you can customize how it will look at the end. So we have video resolution. I would number one set that to 1080p. It will have higher resolution at this point. Then you have display orientation, keep it as it is. Front camera, so this will allow you to record with the front camera. We'll create a little window. And also at the top you have the sound, so record system sound, record microphone sound. I believe you can only have one, or actually no, and here it looks like we can have both of them, which is a nice surprise. In normal circumstances you can either choose one or the other, it's just kind of weird. But here you can have both of them. I'm going to actually disable the microphone, so when I will be showing it, you don't hear me again. And once everything is set here, we can just leave this and simply tap on it. And let's go to I agree and allow everything. And you can see that I need to tap to record. Here we have some settings again and exit. So let's go to, there we go. As you can see now it's recording, and you can also see me. You can also move that around. This is where it's going to be visible on the recording, and whatever you do now also will be visible. Also you can see your finger, so there's a little dot under my finger, and this is going to be visible on the recording, so you know on the recording where you were touching the screen. So once you finish, tap on the menu right here and stop it by tapping on a red square, and this will automatically save it to your gallery. And let's tap on OK, and here it is, so you can see this recording, and there it is. And as you can see, there's the little circle was visible also on the recording, so you could see where I was touching it. So that is how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.